In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up and connect the HP SmartTank 210 to 220 printer series to the network. We will use the HP app. If you need the app, simply download from Play Store. So let's start up the app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. From the HP app, tap on Add Device. We will set up a new printer. We'll connect it over Wi-Fi. Now here are some instructions to get the printer ready to connect over Wi-Fi. Let's continue. It has found our printer. Select the HP SmartTank 210 to 220 series. We need to enter the Wi-Fi password for technology tips. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, let's continue. We need to press and release the flashing information button. Let's do that. The printer is connected to Wi-Fi, and you can see that the wireless LED is now solid. Let's continue. For printer privacy, we'll decline optional data. For future firmware updates, we'll select Auto Update. Let's print a test page. Let's print. The test page is printed. Want to print from other devices? Follow the steps below. Let's continue. So this is how you set up and connect the HP SmartTank 218 printer to the network.